Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Special leave granted in all the petitions. The appeals were heard with consent of counsel appearing for the parties to these proceedings. The grievance of the appellants in these batch of appeals is with respect to a common judgment of the Aurangabad bench of the Bombay High Court. In the criminal public interest litigation, the respondents sought directions to the Union of India, the State of Maharashtra, the Maharashtra Housing and Urban Development Authority, and state officials to initiate criminal proceedings against the responsible officers and office bearers of Municipal Council, Naldurg, and concerned contractors for misappropriation of government funds in implementation of the housing scheme in the municipality. Some appellants had filed criminal petitions opposing the criminal proceedings which were disposed of. The PIL petitioners claimed to be social activists and former councillors of the municipality who were involved in social activities, reforms, and reconstruction of the society, which included running a library. They had also organized various camps like literacy camp for illiterate people at public places during summer season, etc. The Union of India implemented the Integrated Housing and Slum Development Program through the state government under the Jawaharlal Nehru National Urban Renewable Mission for providing basic services to the urban poor, including security of tenure of affordable prices, improved housing, water supply, sanitation, and ensuring delivery through convergence of other existing universal services of the government for education, health, and social security. The mission also aimed to ensure that the urban poor were provided housing. The scheme applies to all citizens, towns under the mission. The guidelines for basic services to the urban poor were issued in December 2005, pursuant to which the state government appointed urban local bodies as nodal agencies. In this case, MHADA is the nodal agency. In terms of a government resolution, the construction cost for each dwelling house unit was Rs 80,000. The minimum floor area of such dwelling house was to be 25 square meters at a minimum with two rooms, a kitchen, and a toilet bathroom. The funds for implementing the said scheme were in the ratio of 80:20 between the central government and the state government urban local bodies. Further, beneficiaries under the scheme had to contribute a minimum 12% and in case of reserved category for getting a flat for oneself under the scheme initiated by the government. The nodal agency designated for implementation of the said scheme was responsible for inviting proposals from urban local bodies and thus respondent numbers 3 and 6, which are the nodal agencies, were responsible for and had control over the implementation of the scheme within the state government. Naldurg in Osmanabad district was included under the scheme for providing houses to the poor people. Pursuant to the scheme, a detailed project report was prepared in terms of which 1200 houses for the poor were to be constructed. 737 beneficiaries belonging to reserved category and 469 from general category were identified as beneficiaries of the project. The cost of each house was fixed at rupees 1 lakh crore, that the total cost of the project was fixed at rupees 21 crore, of which cost for construction was rupees 16 crore and rupees 4 crore for the cost towards infrastructure. The municipality published a tender notice. The estimated cost of the work in the tender was rupees 15 crore and the time stipulated for completion of construction of 1206 dwelling units was 18 calendar months, including the monsoon season. Though the last date for opening of tender bids was 22/9/2008, the municipality did not wait till that date and the offers were placed before its special general meeting held on 29/9/2008. Respondent number 8's tender being the lowest was to be accepted and work order was to be issued in its favor after accepting their security deposit. On 22/9/2008, formalities for execution of lease agreement between the state and the municipality leasing lands at survey numbers 29 and 236 for implementation of the scheme were completed. The municipality issued the work order on 7/10/2008 and the same day an agreement was entered into between the municipality and the private respondent. The municipality released 12% of the total cost, that is rupees 1.44 lakh crore, as mobilization advance to respondent number 9. The PIL petitioners alleged that though, in terms of the contract, respondent number 9 had to construct 1206 house units within 18 months, as on the date of filing of the litigation it had constructed only 30 units. They alleged that the quality of work carried out by respondent number 9 was very poor and the officials did not inspect or supervise the work and did not submit the quarterly reports as required under the scheme. While MHADA had issued notices to the municipality from time to time directing it to submit quarterly progress report, the latter had not complied. Contrary to the directions, the municipality diverted the funds for other works.